Hello students, this is Dr. Navojyoti Bhattacharjee, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, PDU Government Model College, Katlichora. I am starting a new lecture series on information and communication technology. This lecture series is for the beginners who are learning ICT for a competitive examination, especially for UGC NET. So I hope you like the content of the video, and if you have any questions or queries, ask me in the comment section. So let's start the video. In this video we will learn about operating systems or OS, the core of system software. An operating system is the most critical type of system software. It is responsible for managing the computer's memory, processes, software and hardware. Without an OS, a computer cannot function. Now we discuss some major functions of operating system. First is process management. It manages running applications and assigns CPU time. Then memory management allocates and deallocates memory for programs. Then it is file system management. It organizes files into a structured directory format. Fourth is device management, controls peripheral device like printer, keyboard, mouse, etc. Fifth is security and access control. It prevents unauthorized access and manages permissions. And sixth is user interface. It offers GUI or CLI for user interaction. So you can remember, for the examination purpose, you can remember the function of AS operating system as process management, memory management, file system management, device management, security and access control, and user interface. Okay.